I'm Tanya Girish and I program Kingdom.
Hi, I'm Tara Maynard,
Hi, I'm Michaela Sellers.
and we program the game Adventure.
Our project allowed us to get hands-on experience with the functions and language of MATLAB to better prepare us for future classes and careers involving coding.
We were asked to code and document the creation of a popular Schultz's game to be functional for users and to easily play and enjoy. In this video, we will be focusing on the creation of Adventure.
Adventure is a game in which a player is placed on a 10 by 10 grid. The goal of the game is to make it to the hole on the other side to move on to the next level. The player wins if they are able to successfully make it through all 5 levels. The player loses if their health reaches below 0 at any point in the game.
The game tracks the player's health, attack, and armor. As the player moves, monsters of varying strength randomly pop up on the board and attack in an attempt to defeat the player. When a monster pops up, the player and monster take turns decreasing each other's health based on their attack ability. The fight ends when either the player or a monster's health is 0.
The player starts with a full health of 100. The low-level monster decreases the player's health by random amounts between 0 and 10 for each attack. The medium-level monster decreases the player's health between 5 and 15, and the challenge-level monster decreases the player's health by between 10 and 20. The monster's attack increases with each level.
To increase the player's chances of getting to the next level, various power-ups are placed on the board. The health increases the player's health value by 20. The sword increases the player's attack value by 10, and the armor increases the player's defense by 5. These power-ups help the player to reach the end goal.
The following is a demonstration of Adventure. The player starts in the upper left-hand corner. Text boxes on the right side of the board display the level number, player health, player armor, and player attack. These values start at 100, 0, and 10. The player uses arrow commands to move around the board, but is stopped and forced to fight when encountered by a monster. The display on the right shows the player's health decreasing with each attack. The fight continues until the monster's health has reached below 0. The player is then free to move around again. They are able to collect health, shield, and sword power-ups. As each item is picked up, the values on the right side increase. The player then moves on to level 2 by traveling through the hole. In this demonstration, the player encountered the challenge level monster. This decreases the player's health rapidly. The fight causes the player's health to reach below 0 before the monsters. This marks the end of the game. The monsters have defeated you. After interviewing the public, it was found that players love games that have the possibility to win or lose. Adventure gives you a challenge, never knowing whether you will be able to defeat the monsters or not. This makes Adventure a top-picked game by avid gamers, along with its countless other unique characteristics.
Would you risk encountering a monster to get a sword, or would you run straight to the door to escape? Adventure is the perfect combination of risk, reward, and punishment to test your decision-making skills.
The goal is simple: get to the door on the other side of the board. But beware, the monsters will do anything to stop you from meeting your goal. With randomized monster and power-up placements, this game is never the same place.
Will you encounter the challenge level monster immediately, or will you slide past the monsters quietly? The player never knows when they could be attacked, keeping you on the edge of your seat throughout the entire game.
This version of Adventure is unique from any other. I personally created the character and item graphics to make an entirely new experience for the players.
As the player anxiously tracks their health, attack, and armor on the screen with each monster fight, the mystery of randomized attacks makes it all the more exciting. Can you survive this fight?
Adventure is easy to play with simple arrow commands to control movements. This makes it perfect for players of all ages, whether it be a way to entertain the children or simply a distraction from work for adults. Adventure gives anyone a well-deserved break from reality. Come jump into the world of monsters, fighting, and rewards for a while by downloading Adventure on any computer or laptop.